Alright guys, back in with another video. This time we're going to be trying to make those Japanese souffle pancakes you keep seeing online. I heard they're pretty difficult, so yeah.
The recipe I'll be using is in the description box below, and it says to separate 2 eggs first. Separate. Don't break on me, don't break on me. 2. Now I'm just gonna put these into the freezer for about 15 minutes. Now that that's in the freezer, we're gonna add to the 2 eggs some milk, a little bit of vanilla extract, and then now it says to mix it super thoroughly. When it's kind of foamy like this, now it says to sift in our dry ingredients. So in this bowl I have a 1/4 cup of cake flour and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And now I'm just gonna sift it through. And now we're just gonna mix this until it just combined. It's pretty thick, and I think I'm gonna just stop right there. Bang! So as you can see, these egg whites are kind of frozen. So now what we're gonna do here is just mix our frozen egg whites until they're stiff peaks. Now that it's getting kind of glossy, we're gonna add our sugar in gradually. Bang! And now we have some stiff peaks. Now it says to add about 1/3 of the batter into the mix. Now we're just gonna mix this pretty fast for the first part. Now we're just gonna fold another 1/3 of the egg whites into the batter until just incorporated, which seems pretty good now. And now it says to put this back into the egg whites after you've mixed them. And now I'm just gonna try to fold all of this into the egg whites. I think that's it for the batter. I don't want to deflate them too much. So now my pan has been heating for a little bit. Now I'm just gonna spoon the egg whites onto my pan. They said the goal here is to stack vertically, so now I have a little bit of the batter left over. I'm gonna be adding some water so it steams the pancakes a little bit. And then we're just gonna be covering these on a super low setting for 7 minutes. Okay, so after 2 minutes has passed, they should be kind of set on top. Oh, they're so fluffy. Okay, so now we're gonna add the rest of the batter that we saved. Now again, we're just gonna add some water to steam them. Now we're just gonna cover these for the remainder of the 6 to 7 minutes. Whoa, okay, so the 6 to 7 minutes have passed. Oh, I think they're... Oh, look at this! Now we're just gonna flip them. Bang! Oh, they're so fluffy. Okay, more water. We're gonna cook these for 2 more minutes. Oh, they're so fluffy. Look at this. Let's go! Alright guys, I would say these are a huge success. Put some blueberries and put some powdered sugar, but these are super fluffy. I'm gonna try it first with nothing on it. Oh shoot! Listen to this. There you go! They are super airy. Look at these. Super airy. Bang! Alright, so I got some syrup. Yo, these are so good. What can I say? I know geometry, trigonometry.
Whoa. Yo, that's fire though. Dang, it's mad soft though.
Yeah. I got all these blueberries. Blueberries.
That's crazy. Just a touch too. It's pretty good. And it's fresh.
We just devoured that. If you guys liked the video, as you guys can see, I'm a pro chef. Just did those. Yeah, suggest me more things you guys want to see me do down below. If you guys want me to make some pancake cereal, I don't know. Make sure you guys give this video a like. That was my take on the Japanese souffle pancakes, which were, I think, were a success. Physics, everything.
Whoa.